Yo, what's good, y'all? This is your boy Jay Devar bringing y'all a new video, man. And honestly, my head just hurts a little bit because, what I'm gonna cover in today's video, man. Basically, I'm gonna be giving you guys a tutorial on TFT's new prop trading platform that they're using now, instead of a MetaTrader. So, So what we're using now is they're also on Voyage markets, and so what they're using now is something called DXtrade, new platform that apparently a lot of prop firms are using. And honestly, y'all, my first initial thoughts after playing around with it and testing it, I am not too crazy about it, and I'm gonna show you guys why. But basically, I'm gonna just give you guys a quick tutorial, just a quick tutorial of just me playing, dibbling and dabbling with the platform. I figured some things out, some things I still might need to figure out. Honestly, I don't know if I want to continue to use this platform, guys. But yeah, for anybody else out there who's also new to this platform on TFT, it's not just TFT, it's other platforms also. Apparently, MetaTrader stepped away from the prop firm space, or something like that. I need to do some more research on it, but from what I've been hearing, the prop firm industry and meta quotes, they're just not in alignment right now. So so I'm gonna get straight to this, and before we do that, I ask you guys, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, also comment down below what you guys think about TFT's new platform. And honestly, you guys think it's a hit or miss? You know what I mean? In my opinion right now, it's a miss, because there's a lot of things that I see that they need to work on. And yeah, this is just basically going to be a whole new type of avenue for trading, man, especially in the proprietary space. So I'm gonna minimize this window right here. And so as you guys can see right here, we're on Voyage markets, right? This is the broker that's aligned with the trading software, because in order to like be in the software, you can only log in if you actually are like a proprietary trading firm. Because I actually downloaded the DXtrade app on my phone, and like it was saying like logging in and everything of the sort, and so I'm just like, I don't have a login. TFT finally gave me my login account for this so I could get into this right here, right? And so I was trying to put that login on the app, and it wasn't working. And I'm just like, okay, so I don't understand. So I'm just kind of like, okay, this is probably just one of those things where I have to do it on my computer. And one of the things that we really loved about MetaTrader is like you can do it on your phone and you can track your trades on the go. Now I'm gonna have to have like a browser tab open on my phone, and that could potentially suck, because I don't want to have to keep logging in and out on my phone. You know what I'm saying? So, or logging in and out of the browser tab, if it signs me out, that's gonna be annoying. So man, I honestly, guys, I don't know. Like I said, with the little playing around that I did on this platform, on the software right now, I'm really not too excited about it. You know what I mean? I just don't like it at all. But as you guys can see, this is the new account that they gave me through here. As you see, this is my account dashboard. This is the account they gave me right here. So we're back on Voyage markets. That's the same account number. Right now, from the old account that I had on Think Markets, which isn't doing business with prop firms anymore either, for whatever reason, they closed out all my positions out. So I'm $299 in profit right now. So you see right here, we have one-click trading. I swing trade, so I'm going to be putting in limit orders, so I don't really have a necessity for one-click trading. But if you guys do want that option, you can just click it here. Just be sure you read this. The reason why I didn't click the one-click trading is because you see it says right here, the setting will let you send new orders, cancel working orders, and close positions without confirmation with just a single click. So that means like if you accidentally click on something, it can cancel the order, without giving you a confirmation saying like, hey, did you mean to do this? You know what I'm saying? So so to just prevent me from like clicking the wrong thing or accidentally getting in at the wrong price, You know what I'm saying? Especially if I'm just looking at the chart, not trying to get anything right now. You know, for right now, I'm just leaving it off because I don't plan on like day trading or, you know, anything on this platform. Yeah, I just plan on using limit orders and swing trading because I like to trade off the 4-hour time frame. That's what I'm leaning towards now with the ICT concepts that I've learned. So yeah. So you see right here we have the chart. This watermark was annoying, but I figured out how to take it off. So what you do, you hit the settings right here, as you guys can see. Also too, you'll see that like there's a volume profile indicator right here. You see that? I don't like that. Honestly, to me, it's kind of like a distraction. So, you know, you want to take that off. You hit take off, unclick that, and then also to get rid of that watermark. And there you go. Oh wait, I didn't save it. You gotta hit OK. Right. So when you change anything on here, you have to click the OK button, and then it's gonna load, do its thing. Bada boom, bada bang. Also too, as you see that you're dragging, you're dragging your mouse or your cursor along the grid right here. You see like this box is showing the open, high, low, closing price of each candle. So you see I'm hovering over this candle. It's changing grid because this is a bullish candle. Go over to this one because it's red because it's a bearish candle. If you want to get this out of the way, because this can be pretty distracting, you know what I mean? If you want to just like have it set in a set spot, go back to the settings and the show crosshair, that floating data box, that's what that means. But if you set it to fixed, it's gonna put it right here in this corner right here, right? So there you guys go. If you wanna change that, you know, now it's not gonna move when you're moving your mouse and everything of the sort. Another thing that I didn't like either when I was doing the Fibonacci, because I like to use the Fibonacci tool because I use the OTE concepts for ICT. So when I click this, right, to change these numbers on this grid, I had to press the buttons to move it up and down, because if you try to change it using the keyboard and then try to type it in, it just deletes it. So so that was pretty annoying. So to like actually get the levels on here that I wanted, right, I basically had to, like for the 79%, this was like a 1.618 extension level. I had to basically just press and hold it like I'm doing right here until it got to the 79% retracement. So yeah, that's something that's pretty annoying right now at this point in time, and that's one of the things that they're gonna have to improve with this platform. But yeah, guys, also too, so when I set these levels right here, right, you want to click on the default and you want to click save as by defaults, because if you don't, if you just hit OK, it's not going to save it the next time you use another retracement tool, right? So you want to be sure that when you change it to whatever you want to, have the levels on here you want. You can change the colors also. You see I can change the colors here to white. I'm changing it to white, but I'm gonna just change it back to blue because that's the color I like. And then you want to hit save as by defaults and hit OK, and it's gonna save. So the next time you draw it like that, it's gonna be like that. So there's that. Sorry also too, I'm sniffling. Been dealing with allergies. You know, it's about to be the springtime. But anyway, so right here, you see you have the buy trading account. It's showing the price of everything right there. You can hit chart. It'll bring up another chart. That's not, you don't have to do that though. So you see right here we have a default watch list right here. I personally created my own list already. As you guys can see, I created one for commodities. I made one for the currencies that I want to trade, and I made one for the indexes or the indices that I want to be trading. NAS 100, if you want to trade NAS 100, on here it is US Tech. That's what it is on here. It is the US Tech on here. What I also kind of find annoying is that if you want to view a chart, when you click it, it's going to bring up another chart area over here. So it's like you have to type it in on this window right here what you want to see. I kind of find that annoying also. You know what I mean? You know, I kind of think that it would be way more simplistic if you could just click this right? Like double click this or something, and it just brings up a chart right on here. But no, I have to literally put it in right here myself. I don't like that. Also too, with the chart right here, that this window right here, if I want to add my watch list to it, I can, but I'm not gonna do that right now, because what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you guys what I did earlier, because to kind of like get a similar feel to TradingView, which this platform does not compare to TradingView at all, guys. Like, I'm still gonna be using TradingView for like my price analysis and everything, because also too, like, I like to look at the dollar index. They don't have the dollar index on this platform, so I have to use TradingView for that anyway. So oh, let me go ahead and show you guys how to create your own watch list. So you come here, create your list. We're just gonna name it currencies 2. Hit save, and then to add the symbols, you want to just type it in here. Just leave it on all. So you want to do USD, JPY, or matter of fact, let's just do gold. All right, let's just do gold. See right here to show you the spreads. Also too, their spreads are ridiculous. Like, I'm gonna show you guys like the trades and like their price fees. I don't like their price fees either. I'm gonna show you guys that when I go to my oil, because there is like a position that I want to take on oil, and when I was going to look at the chart, right, and I'll show you guys that in the technical analysis tab right here. But when I show you guys that, you're gonna see like the price fees on some assets don't line up, or some instruments like don't line up to like what's on TradingView, right? So that was another pet peeve or like gripe that I had about this software. But so you guys can see right here, we have gold. If I right click it, right, so buy order, sell order, view chart, create alert. If you want to delete an instrument, we're just gonna right click it, and then you're gonna close instrument right here. You just hit close, and it's gonna delete it. But we're gonna bring it back up. And yeah, we'll just bring gold back up again, right? If you want to, well, what does edit do? Okay, no, that didn't do anything. Pre-configure stop loss. I don't know what that is. I'm not gonna mess with it. I don't care. So if you click view chart, it's just gonna pull up a whole other chart, right, on the same window. I'm kind of just like, I don't like that. I don't like that. Like, if I click the instrument, it should show up on the chart that's right here, right? Not on God knows what else, whatever. So yeah. If you also want to delete the watch list, you can. Let's see. How do I delete a watch list? Let's see. Oh, here we go. Okay. So if you want to delete one of your watch lists for whatever reason, whatever reason it is, just hover over it, click that X, delete, yes, and boom, there we go. As you guys can see, these are my current watch lists right here that I have set up. I wonder if I can put the lists right here, and maybe, I don't know. That doesn't do anything either. You can also click this tab and it'll show it like this. This right here, this is the price of like the high and the low currently right now. This is the sell. So you can sell at this price or buy at this price, factor it in the spread. This right here is where you put in your lot size. So if you want to execute a trade, this is where you put in your lot size. And I don't like the, it's kind of like, yeah, I'll show you. I'll show you what my execution orders or my pending orders that I have right now on oil. But as you guys can see, I'm not too, like I said, I'm not too crazy about the platform. We have the trading dashboard, so this is gonna show like the whenever these trades do trigger, it's gonna show things like the average winning whole time, the daily net profit and loss, total net profit and loss, return, max drawdown, losing trade, win rate, reward ratio. It's gonna show the trades that you take down here, and then it's gonna show the per day traded. So I guess these are some pretty good metrics. If you want to add some things, you probably can. but that's the trader dashboard. This is the journal, so whatever trades come in. I'm also create some tags too, right? So possibly when the trade maybe comes up, right, or it gets executed, or maybe you lose or you win it, you know, then you can go back and say add some tags of your own. Actually, okay, so news, info, strategy, market event, error. Yeah, I guess I have to see like whenever these do come through, because I don't think you can like, you know, put this in right now. It's probably one of those things where like you gotta wait. Let's try to see. I'm still new to this platform, y'all, so let's try to see. Nope. Okay, so I have to lose. I either have to lose, win, or be in a trade currently in order to do this. All right. So yeah. All right, we're gonna see how that goes. We're gonna leave this tab alone for right now. Now the technical analysis. This is the tab that I have right here currently open. This is where these are my current limit orders on oil. And here's what I mean about these price feeds, man. Like, I don't like these price feeds one bit, man. I really don't. Okay, it doesn't show the spread on here either. It is kind of like slowing up a bit. All right, but here's what I mean. Okay, so you guys see right here, right? The price feed on this software for oil right now, right? WTI oil, right now. Price right now is 78.570. But when you go to TradingView, it's 78.428. Right? So I'm kind of just like, this honestly kind of confused me a little bit too. That's why I didn't risk the whole 2% on the area that I wanted to get to with the optimal trade entry. Right? I kind of like split the risk up between the 618 and the 70.5. You know what I mean? And so basically, yeah, so the price on TradingView is 78.423. Meanwhile, the price on the platform DXtrade is 78.560. So I'm not sure if that's the spread or if that's just their actual price feed, right? This might just be their actual price feed, because you see right here, current price is 78.560, and then the ask, that's the spread, 78.60 or 78.600, right? So if you want to buy, you'll be put in at 70. You'll be put in at like 40, like an extra 40 ticks higher than what the current price action is now. So, and as you can see right here, you see I have this level right here, the 70.5, basically like the 71% retracement level. Actually, I'm gonna change that really quick. Yep, there we go. Remember, we gotta save is by default. Okay, boom, there we go. So you see here, right? I have this box highlighted right here. You see, there's nothing right here. Right, so you might be asking yourself, okay, why does he have that level marked out? Because when I go on TradingView, right, on that 70%, that 71% retracement level, you see right here, there's an inversion fair value gap right here, right, on TradingView, right. Look at this, inversion fair value gap resting right here, right on top of that 70.5, that 71% retracement level. You go over to the platform, it's not there, right? It's not there. It's actually down here. That's the one that I have marked out. So that inversion fair value gap, this is also kind of like a imbalance also. So like that inversion fair value gap is like down here. Actually, no, it's right here. Yeah, it's actually, what the hell? Man, listen. What? Hey man, listen. Alright, so that same inversion fair value gap is resting right here. So on their platform, that inversion fair value gap is right here. Right, that's a volume imbalance right there. But that inversion fair value gap is all the way down here at the 76, like 470 and 76.5, 675. Right, but on TradingView, you know, there's another inversion fair value gap right here. There's one right here, right, for 76.337 and 76.190. I just don't know, y'all. I really don't. I honestly kind of don't want to trade. That's why I split the risk up between two positions, right? So targeted this volume imbalance that's resting right here on that platform. Also too, so with these orders that I did set up, so I did it like this. So my stop loss, I wanted my stop loss to be here, but for whatever reason, because with the lot size that I have in, I calculated it already. So with the stop loss being here, it's at like $250. So that's 1% of $2,500, right? If I try to move the stop loss, right? What the, dude? This damn platform, man. Like, why is it, bro? All I did was just click it. Why is it? This damn platform, y'all, bro. So if I want to move a stop loss right here, right, it won't let me. It says stop loss number of pips should be higher than or equal to 100, because I set it to percent of balance and I set it to 1%. So it's gonna put it at whatever is necessary for 1%, right? So it's kind of like, and even when I did try to like change the price, like I ended up changing the price. I'm just going to show you. Let's see. Say I did want to put the stop loss at that 75,980. So say I did want to put it at 75.980, right? So this is the number of pips. So I'm gonna take this, right? And I'm going to do it on my calculator. So you can do it on your calculator. So I'm gonna do $250 divided by 78.7 pips. It's gonna give you 3.17. So we're gonna do 3.1. Right. Okay, it actually did. Okay, that's what it is. Yeah, if you guys don't know how to calculate your own stop loss, all you gotta do is like take the number of pips and take what you want to risk, so the percentage that you want to risk, and then divide it by the amount of pips. And depending on the instrument, you might need to divide it by 10, but they actually kind of already did it here for you, right? So yeah. So now if I want to do percent of balance, it should let me finally put it right here, and no, it will not. It still won't let me place it. It says I have to put it at 75.767. I'm not understanding why. Maybe it has to deal with the take profit, maybe, or I'm not sure, but yeah, we're just gonna I can't even change it. I can't even change it. Like it just won't allow me to change it, even when I put in the right, lots. Right, I put in the right lots, but it's still not changing anything. So yeah, I'm not sure how they're calculating. I'm just not sure. So like, if I wanted to have my stop loss right here, I can't. Like, it's gonna be whatever they calculated it to be at. Yeah, it just won't let me edit my current my current stop loss. So that's kind of gonna be annoying, but it is what it is. I gotta test this platform out a bit more, but as of right now, I mean, hey. So there we go. This platform is definitely gonna take some getting used to. And as you can see, you can click on it. You can click and drag the stop loss, but as you can see, I tried to do that, it didn't work. My take profit is up here in this area. I can drag it and move it along right here, right? And I'm just gonna put it back right here. There we go. Oh, and how I had it set up this way right here, kind of like as close to TradingView as I could, right? What I did was, I'm gonna go back to my trading account, and you see this right here? You can click this, and you can drag this over, right? You can basically drag it to wherever you want, really. It's just gonna outline, and it just froze up on me. All right, there we go. And then you can move this right here, this window right here, and boom, there you go. If you want to get rid of this, just click X. This shows you your positions, or if you want to leave this here, you can. If not, you can just get rid of it, and then you can click here and just drag down. Oh, yeah, it won't let you drag that far down either. Like, you know, this is it. This is the farthest you can drag this down. So if you don't want this here, you can just click it and get rid of it. I'm gonna leave it right here like this for right now. I don't mind, because I probably won't be on this tab that often anyway. But yeah, so yeah, man. There we go. That's the new platform. Like I said, I'm honestly not too crazy about it. I'm just not. It's a lot of things they need to fix, like especially like trying to put in, like, say, you know, like say I want to put the coordinates in on this line right here in the settings. I want to put the coordinates in, right? I want to type it in myself. It just deletes it. Something that they need to fix is, like, I think this platform has been around for like what, like 2 years. It's kind of just like, come on guys, like, yeah, y'all know better than this, man. Like, y'all like, look at TradingView as an example. That should be like that's the standard, right? If you're gonna have a platform like this, TradingView is the standard. You know, model it after that, look at their features, you know, make it as familiar as you can as possible, you know, for, like, you know, the traders. But hey, they're gonna do what they do, I guess. You can do things like positions. Oh shit, what did I do? Gotta get rid of that. Okay, yeah. Okay, so I just figured something out while using it, right? While recording the video. If you want to see your open positions that you have, you can just click here, and then you can click it and drag this to wherever your heart's content, and there you go. But I'm not gonna need that. So yeah, guys, honestly, like I said, I'm not too crazy about this platform. I'm not sure why TFT or these other prop firms are moving forward with this. In my opinion, I think they're taking like a pretty big gamble on it, especially because, like, it's such an unfamiliar experience, right? It's it's something new that now traders and your customers have to, like, relearn. And then also too, like, the platform has, like, these different bugs and, you know, certain things people aren't gonna like. I don't know, man. I don't know. But, you know, we just gonna adapt, you know, and we just gonna rock and roll, man. You know, I'm already in profit with the account, so I'm gonna just try my best with it. Hopefully they come out with updates as they come along, but I'm not exactly too happy about being a guinea pig. But like I said, y'all, please like the video, subscribe to the channel. Also leave a comment down below what you guys think about the platform whenever you get the chance to get your hands on it, log into your account and everything. And yeah, just give you guys just honest review, man. So yeah, with that being said, this is your boy Jay Davari, and I'm out, and I'll catch y'all in the next video, man. Peace out.